Hi there, Jeffrey Baumgartner here. Let's talk about creativity. Creativity and problems, because very often creativity is a matter of solving problems using your imagination. The thing is, if you've ever participated in a brainstorm, an ideas campaign, a crowdsourcing action, you've probably noticed that very often the problems you deal with are boring. And the problem with boring problems is they tend to result in boring ideas. And boring ideas, by definition, are not creative. So if the whole point of a brainstorm is to generate creative ideas, then you obviously don't want to start off with a boring problem that inspires boring ideas, do you? The obvious solution to this is to start with creative problems. Problems that are provocative, that are exciting, and are creative, because they will most likely result in ideas that are exciting, provocative, and creative as well. And that's most likely what you want when you're doing a brainstorming or something along those lines. So let's see how this works. First, let's look at some typical business-like brainstorm challenges or problems.
How might we improve the customer experience in our shops?
Boring.
How might we improve the functionality of our smartphones? In what ways could we improve the way we do business?
Now, let's see how we can make them more exciting.
Instead of working with the very boring problem, how might we improve the customer experience in our shops, we could work with a far more provocative and exciting question like, how could we make visiting our shops the most incredible experience in our customers' lives? Or, how could we make visiting our shops as delightful as kissing your lover? Rather than dealing with the terminally boring problem, how might we improve the functionality of our smartphones, we can work with a far more intriguing question, how could we make our smartphones intuitive for your grandmother to use? Or, how could our smartphone know instinctively what you want to do? And rather than working with the really boring and far too commonplace, in what ways could we improve the way we do business, you can ask the far more interesting, what stupid things do we do in this company? That's guaranteed to get some responses from your colleagues. Or, one of my favorites, what could our main competitor do tomorrow that would put us out of business by the end of the year?
Okay, I think if you've looked at the boring challenges and the exciting challenges, it's pretty obvious that the exciting challenges automatically inspire far more exciting ideas, don't they? So, if you're responsible for running brainstorms or crowdsourcing events, what can you do in order to ensure that you have exciting challenges? Well, you could hire me. I'm very good at this kind of thing. Alternatively, you need to refocus your creativity. Instead of planning to focus all of your creativity on generating ideas for a boring problem, focus your creativity on reviewing the problem and reformulating it in a more exciting and provocative way. It's actually quite easy. Thank you.